everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Now, this came from a company on Amazon, and they asked if I would show their product, and of course I said yes. So this comes from a company called Go Home Direct, and I am very excited about this. And before I do get into this, I'm just going to say thank you to them for sending this to me to share to everyone. And I will leave the product link in my description box. That way everyone can check them out. Just go look in my description box, click on the link, and it'll take you directly to this product. And also, I just want to say sorry if you hear any background noise. Also, my lighting might be a little off. I'm in a different area in my craft room, and it's really cloudy, and I'm trying to use as much light as I can. And my desk is a little messy. But I wanted to do it here because I wanted to show y'all something. If you've been following me, you know I have been working on miniatures. So this kind of goes right along with that. So this is a large magnifying glass with stand. And like I said, this is Go Home Direct. And they were nice enough to send this to me to share with everyone. And this is, this has a stand. And let's just open this up. That was the cardboard. This is very nicely packed in here. That's all that's in the box. And it's a very nice box. I like the box. Okay, so you can see that it is compacted in this big old sheet of foam. So that is very nice. Okay, so here is the magnifying glass. It's very light. Very, very light. I'm going to set that over to the side. I really like the way they have this packed. I mean, that is very nice. Then they have all this in bubble wrap. Here is your USB cord. Okay. And here's your stand. It's all in bubble wrap. We'll set that right there. You have a little cleaning cloth that comes with it. Here's your instruction manual that tells you how to put it together. So we'll set that right there. And then here is the gooseneck. And then we'll just set this off to the side also. Alright, so this is also very light. And it is coated with like rubber. And it has a on and off switch. It has a place for a charger. Looks really good. Okay. Now, let's see. Here is the base. We'll just set that over to the side. This is very light. And you can see it has this little spot right here to where you can put whatever, you know, in there. And you have a spot. Here's my phone. But you have a spot where, you know, you can set your phone in there like this or like that, whatever. Or I think you could probably put your, like your Nook or, you know, your iPad or whatever there. And you could set them there however you want to do it. And it's got 6 feet on the bottom that has got pretty thick rubber padding on it. If you can see, that's pretty thick. So that is non-slip rubber padding. So we'll just move my phone out of the way. And I am going to undo the cord for the USB. It's a pretty long cord too. I didn't look to see how long it actually was. But let me see if I can find... Well, let's hold off on that for right this second. Now this adjusts any way you want to do it, okay? So here is the gooseneck. And as you can see, it has got these little things right here. If y'all can see that. It's got just these little spots right here. Okay. And then this has that. You're going to stick it in there. And then you're going to rotate it. Just like that. And that locks that right in place. I'm going to lift y'all up some, maybe. Alright. And then we're going to bring this gooseneck up a little bit. Alright, so here is... And this has got... Let me move that out of the way. This has got a protective thingy on it. I'm just going to move that out of the way. Now, this is acrylic, I do believe. But look, this has got a place right here for 3 AAA batteries. Okay. And I just happen to have 3 AAA batteries laying over here because I knew I was going to have them. Let me look and see which way they go in. Okay. So, here's the thing, is this is detachable, okay? You can use this on your gooseneck, all right? Or you can take this off and use it without your gooseneck. How cool is that? So if, say you need to go somewhere, say you're going to church and you need this for your Bible at church, you can take this off, slip this in your purse, and take this to church with you so that you can read your Bible. All right? So you would just take this and your, where's it at? Right here. Your on and off button. Where's it at? Right here. It's adjustable. Here's your lights. You've got 36 lights. I don't want to blind y'all, but you just, ooh, that is bright. And that's not even all the way up. Okay, so now that's as high as it'll go. And then you just roll it to however high or as bright or as low as you want it. You just adjust it. Okay? So, this is like I said, this is detachable. And it's pretty good. Alright, I'm going to turn this off so that we can put this on here. To attach it, you just slide it on there. That's it. And you're good to go. And to take it off, you just pull it off. And you just take it with you. And this is so light. This is like, what is it? I wrote this down. This weighs 4.7 ounces. Okay? The whole thing is only 1 pound and 7 ounces. And this is, the viewing area is 7 It's 7 inches by 5 inches. 7 by 5 inches, yeah. And then the gooseneck is 17 inches. So this is pretty nice. And this gooseneck, like I said, you can move it any way you want. It'll go anywhere you want it to go. If you have your phone sitting on here, you can do your phone like this, and you can watch it through here. You can do whatever you want to with this. All right. Now, if I had this plugged up, you would take this and you would plug this up right here. Okay. And then you would take this part and you could plug it into your computer. You could plug it into, whatever you want to. And this is what charges it. Then you have your on and off button right there. And then if you have like your phone, you could take your phone and charge your phone into here, into this port right here. All right. So while you're sitting here watching TV or, watching a movie, watching YouTube, whatever, and your phone starts going low, you could take and plug this in right here and it'll charge. So I thought that was pretty neat. So now the only thing that you do need to know about is if you are using this and you don't use this as the handheld and you're going to use it on here, then you don't need these batteries in here. Because if you're using this on here and you've got, you've got this turned on and you've got say you've got this on the highest that it'll go, then it's going to heat up, it's going to get a little warm, and you don't want your batteries to get hot. So you need to take your batteries out if you're not going to use the handheld. Just set them to the side. And then if you need to take this off and use it elsewhere, then, just pop your batteries back in there. So, but yeah, I wanted to show y'all that. But I thought that was neat that this was removable. And, you could take this anywhere you wanted to, really. So I'm going to take this back off. And I want to see. I'm going to put the batteries back in. And like I said, you get this on Amazon. And it's not really all that expensive either. And I think they're pretty much a new company. But I wanted to show y'all how well this magnifies, okay? Let me just get one of my miniatures that I have been working on. Okay? Let me bring y'all down just a little bit. I might have to bring the light down too. Okay. So you see this, but now let me move the base and the gooseneck. You see this, but now look at how well that looks. How much more detail that you can see. Y'all can probably see my boo-boos. Because I've got one can that's dented. Y'all can see that it's not even. Some of my stuff's not even on there. But yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty neat. I think it's pretty good. So, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about this one? I know I've showed one before, But what do y'all think? I think it's pretty neat. And with us diamond painting and cross stitching and, you know, me doing these miniatures and all kinds of stuff. I mean, y'all, I know my eyes suck. So this is going to be a really good help for me. It really is. So, but yeah, so go home direct on Amazon. This is a 4x magnifying glass with light and stand. Has 36 LED lights. Flexible gooseneck. Has, the light is adjustable. It has a USB port and a master on and off switch. The length is takes three AAA batteries for the handheld, which is hands-free because you can take it off and go anywhere you want to with it. But they did say that, if you're not using this as hands-free, do not leave the AAA batteries in there. Take them out when not using it. And like I said, this right here, the viewing area is 7 by 5 inches. So, and this is, like I said, it is very light. And I think it's nice. And I love the way that they had it packaged. And I really think the box is cute, y'all. So, all right, y'all. Like I said, I just want to say thank you to the company for sending this to me. And I really appreciate it. And the link will be in my description box so that y'all can check it out. And please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you have got one of these, let me know what you think of the magnifying glass. And yeah, go check it out, y'all. So until my next video, I hope y'all liked this one. And I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.